at last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, currently trading around $0.64. The Sandbox is currently down bad in this crypto bear market. The Sandbox in the last 1 month has traded for as high as $0.72. It has also traded for as low as $0.57. With a market cap of less than $1 billion, the Sandbox is down more than 96.7%. The Sandbox is down more than 76.9% in this bear market. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart. The Sandbox has dropped to as low as the $0.38 level in this bear market. But we started the year on a very bright note. We've also seen the Sandbox rally to as high as $0.92 region. How long will it take us to blast above the $1.5 region? The Sandbox has been stuck below $1.5 since May of 2022. We'll also be looking at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll take a look at the Sandbox market cap. Can we rally towards the $2.5 billion level if we see all coins rallying to higher prices? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All coins are down bad in the bear market. The Sandbox is also down bad in this bear market. All coins are usually dumping heavily in the bear market, and the Sandbox is not an exception. We saw the Sandbox rallying to heavy prices. We saw the Sandbox rallying to higher prices in the bull market. The Sandbox, one of those big performers in the previous bull market, rallying up by more than 21,000%. Guys, $1,000 invested in the Sandbox would have returned more than $200,000 in less than a year. That's how aggressive altcoins can pump to the upside when the whole market is bullish. But the downside to altcoins is that when the market is bearish, we can see them dumping to gobbling town. And the Sandbox in this bear market went down by more than 95%. Luckily for us, we've started 2023 on a very bright note. We've left the dump of gobbling town in 2022. And we've seen the Sandbox rally to as high as the $0.9 level. But we've seen the Sandbox also facing difficulties rallying above that level. Now, if we see the Sandbox pumping to higher prices, obviously the $0.92 level will be one level you want to pay close attention to. We tried to rally above that level in October of 2022. Boom, we got rejected there. We went back to gobbling town, dropped to new lows in this bear market. We tried to rally above the $0.92 level again in February, and we also got rejected. So I'll not be shocked to see the Sandbox get rejected there for the third time. But if we're lucky and we start pumping to higher prices and we see the Sandbox blast above the $0.92 level, then maybe just maybe we'll be ready to trade above $1. Maybe just maybe we'll be heading for that $1.5 region where we've been trading beneath since May of 2022. Now, with altcoins, this pump to the upside can be very, very swift. With altcoins, we can easily see the Sandbox just rally above $1.5 in a matter of 2 days. But the Sandbox will have to go up by more than 126% if we were to see that pump to the upside. But guys, if we see that pump to the upside, please and please don't get carried away. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. The previous bear market saw all coins no bottom till they were down for more than 800 days. If that will happen to the Sandbox in this bear market, the Sandbox will not see a bottom till we enter 2023, probably early in 2023 February. So will you still be holding the Sandbox if we will not see the bottom till then, or will you be taking advantage of the opportunity that we might see lower prices by January or February 2024? Remember, guys, the bear market can be long, the bear market can be very, very brutal, but your number one job in the bear market is to survive if you want to see this kind of huge pumps to the upside by the end of the next bull run. If the Sandbox goes above the $1.5 level, a lot of people will start calling for new all-time highs. You start seeing chants for saying we're ready to break into new all-time highs. But remember, guys, we still have a lot of resistance waiting for us along the way. And even if we continue pumping to higher prices, if we get to that $2 level, it will be wise to take some profits off the table, because the Sandbox would have rallied from the $0.37 level, pumping to as high as the $2 region. We would have seen the Sandbox in the start of the year go up by more than 447%. And deep in the bear market, we can still see altcoins pumping that aggressive to the upside. And guys, you know, if you're accumulating the bear market, you're going to make some mistakes along the way. That's without saying. Obviously, you're going to buy some coins that will continue dumping. You're going to buy some coins that immediately you buy them, they'll start pumping. But if one mistake you want to avoid that can wreck a lot of investors in this bear market, that has wrecked a lot of investors and will continue wrecking investors, is going all in too quickly. You want to behave like a smart investor. Bitcoin has rallied towards $30,000. And as far as Bitcoin is pumping, believe in the altcoin pump. We'll see altcoins have their time in the market. Remember to dollar cost average. If you're dollar cost averaging, we know you can't accurately time the market. You can't know the exact bottom of the market. But if you're dollar cost averaging, you'll notice when we start pumping to higher prices that because you're dollar cost averaging, you have a very low entry. At the same time, you will not FOMO because you're just seeing the market pump. You want to have a plan and you want to stick to that plan. Now, the altcoin season index has been telling us altcoins are gearing up for a huge move to the upside in the coming weeks. The last time we saw the altcoin season index on the monthly time frame this low was in November of 2020. And what was the Sandbox doing in November of 2020? The Sandbox was trading below the $0.005 level. If you have $1,000 invested in the Sandbox in November of 2020, guys, just by March of 2021, that $1,000 would have given you over $20,000. And if you have held on, by November of 2021, that $1,000 would have given you more than $197,000. For you to get this kind of huge gains in the future, you have to accumulate right now deep in the bear market. Let's take a look at some details about the Sandbox. In the last 1 year, that's traded for as high as $3.09. That's also traded for as low as $0.37. The Sandbox has a market cap of $959 million. It has a fully diluted market cap of $1.9 billion. Currently ranked 55 on CoinMarketCap, with over 2.2 million people having the Sandbox on their watch list. If you want to buy or sell some of the Sandbox tokens right now deep in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on KuCoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Uniswap, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, we have dropped to new lows in this bear market. The last time the Sandbox was trading this low against Bitcoin was in October of 2021. Altcoins can be very volatile. We've seen the Sandbox outperform Bitcoin in the bull market, outperforming Bitcoin by more than 71,000%. Just one Bitcoin invested in the Sandbox on the 1st of January 2021 should have returned more than 71 Bitcoins by November of 2021. Very crazy, but very, very impressive. That's how violent we can see altcoins pump to the upside. And right now, we're in the bear market and altcoins are dumping to Goblin Town, and rightfully so. And you're currently seeing the Sandbox lose so much value against Bitcoin. It's dumped more than 85% against Bitcoin in this bear market. But at the same time, even though we're dumping to Goblin Town in this bear market, I still expect us to see huge pumps to the upside in the coming days and the coming weeks. The Sandbox performance against Ethereum is also nothing to write home about, but that's expected in the bear market. We have gone down by more than 82%. But if the altcoin season index is right, we should expect to see something like this in the coming days and the coming weeks. Maybe 100% pump to the upside. If we're lucky, we might even get up to a 200% pump to the upside. The Sandbox market cap is currently below $1 billion. That $1 billion level, it's a very significant region. We saw the Sandbox finding support around the $1 billion level. We had some bounces above it, finally going below the $1 billion region in November of 2022. We started the year on a very bright note, pumping from the $583 million level, going above $1 billion. We couldn't hold that $1 billion support, and right now, we're currently trading below $1 billion. But if we see altcoins pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks, let's not be shocked to see the Sandbox market cap even rally to that $2 billion region for the first time since May of 2022. Bitcoin's above $30,000. And as far as Bitcoin is pumping, let's expect to see a huge pump in the altcoin market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see the Sandbox going to in the coming days and the coming weeks? If we start pumping to higher prices, are you still buying more right now, accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.